Craftsman LT1500. No start. Been sitting up and it cuts off hot. Maybe that was before it was sitting up. I don't know. Let's see what's going to happen. Already got the parking brake set. Let's give it some choke. She don't want to run. Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. So first thing I want to do, we're going to do a compression check, fire check all in one shot. You know how to do that? A little bit of brake cleaner, carb cleaner, squirt bottle with some gas. Oh crap. Now that whole thing's turning. Let's see if I can get this air cleaner cover off. All right, when the whole thing is turning, first thing, obviously, let's give it a little squirt. And it's not gonna work, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut a groove in that stud. It's gonna mess the plastic up a little bit, but I don't care. And then I'll use a flat screwdriver to hold it while I turn it and get it loose. Let's try that. See right there, like a little flat screwdriver? Yeah, I messed the plastic up a little bit. But now I can hold this and look at her. So let's keep going here. Get the air cleaner out the way. That's dirty. Ooh, there went a roach. He better not get in my shop. All right, let's see if she'll fire up. Oh, she tried. She wants to. She's getting better. Somebody's shooting at us now. Bam! One of the common things is fuel flow. I see this all the time. And yeah, I already looked at this. But the gasket and stuff will come apart in here and end up down in the bottom of the tank. This one looks to be almost intact in the bottom of the tank. I don't know if y'all can see down in there or not. But if you see right down in that corner, right there, see it hanging out right there? And then the little tan looking dot to the side, that's where your fuel line comes out of the bottom of the tank. Just keep that in mind. Sometimes you got to clean that stuff out. Now, of course, we'll go pick that out. I'll show you that in a minute. So we know it's getting fire. It must have some compression. It popped and tried to run. What I'm going to do, first thing we want to do, are we getting fuel to the carburetor? Pop this off. I saw fuel. Oh yeah, she's flowing good. All right, next thing we want to do, we're getting gas to the carburetor. This is a Walbro. I'm going to show you the difference in a Walbro and a Nicky. Now, when you go on that Jungle website and you go type in a 594, 593 carburetor, because you're looking for a Walbro, it'll have this style on there and they call it a Walbro. This is not a Walbro. Let me show you what to look for. On the Nicky style, there are two screws that hold the bowl on, okay? Now, what you do not want this carburetor, it's junk. Here's the difference. This is a Walbro style, okay? The Walbro style, the only thing holding that bowl on is your anti-backfire solenoid. See the difference when they're up close? Two screws hold a bowl on, not on a Walbro. So, this carburetor, the Nicky, even though they call it a Walbro, it ain't. It's junk. All right, let's check. We know we got gas getting here. I want to take and feel right here as I cut the key on. I'm feeling, wait a minute. Usually you can feel that thing just do a little click, and that's that solenoid sucking that thing down, you know, when you put power to it. So let's see if it's got power. All right, let's get us a little ground right there. And let's see, the black wire is the ground. Let's go to the gray wire. Are we sending power to it? Yep, we're sending power to it. But ain't nothing happening, Captain. Let's go ahead and pull that bowl. Or I don't care if the bowl comes off or not. Let's check out the solenoid. Maybe it's all stopped up and sitting. That may be what he was talking about, cuts off hot. Uh-oh, here's another problem. Look, y'all, here's another issue. Look, look. Look down there. That's water. The doggone thing's full of water. See it beading up? Great day. Look at her, full of water. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to hook this bad boy back up. Let's see, does this solenoid work? Yep, I can feel it bumping now. Uh-oh, see, I'm still doing the key. It hung up. It hung up. Well, what's the deal here? Why'd it hang up? Is the key off? All right, key is off. I bet it's got rust in there or something from that water. Yep, I just cut the key back off and it's stuck. Watch, and I'll prove it. I'm gonna unplug it. Oh, see, I wiggled it and it popped out. Okay. So we got a bad solenoid right there is what we got. And we have water in the fuel. It ain't gonna run with water. Okay, so we know we have water. This thing, I don't have another one of these like this, but something you ought to know, this is just anti-backfire solenoid. And yes, you can do this, cut the bad boy off, all right? No, your engine is not gonna flood. This has nothing to do with flooding. Flooding is caused by a bad needle and seat. Now, we know we got some water up in here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see, I don't think we got any water coming out right here. It looks like gas to me. Let's pop this bad boy on. Now the trick is when you cut these off, and you should be doing this anyway, when you get done, say, cutting your grass, you're running wide open, da-da-da. What you want to do when you're done, go ahead and idle your engine down and let it idle. And that way it kind of cools on down while you go to put it back in the shed. And when you do that, it'll cool down. With it idled all the way down, then shut it off. You won't have a backfire. None of the older engines used to have these darn things. Is some genius wizard somewhere come up with that idea? I don't know. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right ahead right now. And no, I didn't even clean that bowl out. There might be still got some water in there. I don't know. It doesn't appear to be any coming out of this, so I don't know how it got in there. Unless it ran through, maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I don't know. Uh-oh, that's more gooder. Let's give her a little choke. Come on. She wants this, still got water in it. All right. Going right now, we'll tell you what we're gonna do. I don't even need to unhook that. Take this off. Where's my wrench? Let's just get this bad boy back off of here. One more again. Looks like straight gas now. Let's just take a look at the bowl. Whack-a-rooney. Yeah, she's a little dirty in there. Not terrible though. Usually they're all messed up. Let me rinse this out a little bit. A little goo. And then what I'm gonna do is go right up in the center right here where your main jet is. And we're gonna squirt. And if we have to, we'll pull it out and do it all. Sometimes when they're not too bad, you can do that and they'll straighten back up and go to running. All right. Is the bowl on straight, y'all? I don't know. Kind of looks that way. I think I got the wrong side of the wrench too. Sounded okay. Still has water in it. Watch, I'll go ahead and re-unplug this. She'll stay running. Got a little bump to it. It's just working it all out where it's been sitting up. Let me show you a little trick. Let me show you another little trick. This is a boingy grabber thingy. See right there? You just mash it and it grabs stuff for you. See if I can get that piece fished out of the tank. Can I get it? I got ripples in the water. I think there's fish in here or something. I don't know. Oh crap, I just broke it. Now I got 47 pieces down there. Hey, did y'all see the video where I made this out of PVC? Air conditioned vacuum pump, air operated, and I suck oil and gas out. Now we're gonna suck a fuel cap gas out. Fuel cap gasket. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Okay, so I'm not having any success anyway. Let's just take the fuel line off. I went and got me a good gas can, and I'm just gonna let it drain. Since this tank was almost full, and just I'm gonna let it drain out. Then we'll pull the tank out and rinse it out. Well, while it's draining, I might as well pull the thing loose for the tank. Looks like just a couple bolts. Just like that. And now our tank is loose. Let me let it finish draining. Golly, the fumes. I'm opening this door the rest of the way, y'all. All right, shut this off. We're gonna try to save the man's gas. Now what I gotta do, let's pull this line off the bottom here. You have to be careful. You don't want to break that nipple off the end of the tank. Now let's go outside. Get out of there. There they come. I hear more. Did I get it? I got it. See right there how all that just breaks up, y'all? Just breaks all up into nothing. And then I'll get right on the top side of this to stop your fuel up also. All right, let's get our line back on here. And we are going to go ahead and put on a new fuel filter, new air filter. Heck, we're going that far, we might as well put doggone oil in it too, huh? We'll do an oil change. Get on there. We go, there we go. I ain't in the right spot. Now we're talking. All right. Let's pour some gas in here. Hopefully, there's no water in this. I didn't see any coming out of the tank. I only saw it come out of the carburetor. That's enough for now. It's probably a good idea to go ahead and replace that gas cap too. I'm just gonna stick it on there for now. And let's go ahead and change out this filter right quick since I'm looking right at it. Because in case it held some water and dirt. Oh, you can see the dirt and stuff in the bottom. Can y'all see that? Look at the dirt and stuff in there. All right, come over there. Golly. Come off of there. All right, that's trash. Pop this on. These filters are directional. See the flow going toward the carburetor. All right, pop this on, pop it onto the carburetor, and let's get our clampadoos back in place. Tight as that was, it ain't gonna leak or fall off, I don't think anyway. All right, let's see what's gonna happen now. brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil since the man got it in here, and new air filter. He ought to be good to go. Folks, thanks for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Hope you had fun today, maybe learned a little something. Click that subscribe, maybe a thumbs up, and share these videos with your friends. And like the girl right there, type some comments down there, what y'all want to see. We got a deck on a John Deere zero turn coming up. We're doing in the middle of filming. I'm waiting on a pulley. Can you believe that? We'll see you soon.
T-Bone's back, red and black. Hat on head, hair down his back. Fixing mowers, cash in hand. Grease stained shirt, wrench in hand. Mower's broke, but he got a plan. T-Bone fix 'em over this land. Bad gas in the air, thick. Oil's dripping down so slick. Gritting teeth, eyes dead set. Ain't a mower he ain't fixed yet. Mower's broke, but he got a plan. T-Bone fix 'em over this land. Bad gas in the air, thick. Oil's dripping down so slick. Gritted teeth, eyes dead set. Ain't a mower he ain't fixed yet.